How have claimant rights changed against insurers? Imagine trying to get fair compensation after an injury and finding the rules have shifted. That's what many claimants face today when dealing with insurance companies. Over the years, laws and court decisions have altered how claims are handled and what rights claimants have. These changes can make the process more challenging but also more predictable if you understand them. One big change is that laws now requiring claimants to prove more when claiming negligence. For example, if you slip and fall on someone's property, you need stronger evidence to show the property owner was careless. This means providing clear proof of unsafe conditions or security failures. Courts have made it harder to win claims without solid evidence. Another shift is the use of separate trials for fault and damages. Instead of one trial deciding both who was responsible and how much money you get, courts often hold two. First, they decide if someone was negligent. Then, they determine the compensation. This can slow things down but helps focus on each issue clearly. Medical damages have also changed. Now, claimants can only recover what they actually paid for medical care or what insurers paid. This means if a doctor bills $1,000 but the insurer only pays $600, that's the maximum you can recover. It cuts down on inflated claims based on high billed amounts. Evidence rules have become stricter too. Insurers can now bring up things like whether you wore a seatbelt or not. If you didn't wear one during a crash, the insurer might argue you were partly at fault, which can reduce your payout. This makes it even more important to be cautious and truthful in your claims. Limits on attorney fees and legal costs are another change. Claimants now often face caps on how much they can recover for legal expenses. This can influence how much money is left for the actual injury compensation. It also means working with a lawyer who understands these limits is more important than ever. Insurance companies also have new ways to investigate claims. Adjusters may send reservation of rights letters, which don't deny coverage but say they are still reviewing. Claimants should be careful in what they say to avoid accidentally hurting their case. Talking through a lawyer can help keep your rights protected. Reforms aimed at reducing frivolous claims and lowering insurance costs have made it harder for some injured people to get full compensation. These changes mean claimants need to be more prepared, gather stronger evidence, and act quickly. Consulting a personal injury lawyer early can help you understand these new rules and protect your rights. Remember, insurance companies now have more tools to limit payouts, so knowing your rights and how they've changed is key to navigating this landscape successfully.